In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect an Ubisoft account to a Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect your Ubisoft account to any game available on the Nintendo Switch. So, in order to do this, unlike most accounts where you have to go over to the account management page and link them from here, you will notice that Nintendo Switch is not available among the options. Which means that to do this and connect a game or some title made from Ubisoft available on the Nintendo Switch to your account, you will have to do it directly on the game itself. So open any title made by Ubisoft on your Nintendo Switch, and usually there will be a prompt for you to connect your Ubisoft account. All that you have to do in there is choose the option to connect, and now you will be able to choose between signing into a pre-existing Ubisoft account or creating a new one for free. So choose the appropriate option and go through the prompts. Now sadly, I'm not going to be able to show you how this looks visually on screen, but it is extremely simple. If you are creating a new account, you will have to include some details like your display name, the email, password, and so on, and create your free Ubisoft account after you read and agree with the terms of service. If you are signing into a pre-existing one, simply include your email and password. After you are done signing into the account, the link will be established automatically, and you can repeat this process as needed. Once this is done, you can play the game, and every progress that you make will be attributed to that account on your Nintendo Switch. Now, once this is done, you are basically good to go. You don't have to do any sort of additional setup, and you don't have to visit the website like I mentioned here. You just have to open any title made by Ubisoft on the Nintendo Switch and connect the account from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ubisoft account to Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.